he namukela nakambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst channel. Of course, when the Dakar was going as the post, of course, it continue okay. Link na Dr. Joe Sherman, and then amakum tela Ben Mangan the president. Don't you of course I remember comparing on iTunes in terms of album, of course, yeah, this is Tolamsava Vele. So as we can see, in Walo 0751. As we can see, you lose some seconds. I think it's only 0750. It's not really that possible. So yeah, siku tanashimshona kwala 9 December ngari 0751. As you can see, kwala ifike search South Africa iTunes top albums. As you can see, nala by click in. Of course, very ifike singla verify on top. As you can see, kutsarung South Africa. South Africa iTunes top albums, as you can see. So if I zoom, if I come go Kasongo, they are number 1, as you can see, which basically marks 3 days manjin. So congratulations to also Mr. Post 3 days manjin there la. Corner that you want through Lamarse because not that you want to get again la. Still at a failing. And want to get again still also that the source allows go miss the post. And before you narrate show I even got the Joshua. So you don't come to the Roman journal. I don't know what's happening. As you can show the number 14. I know still number 7. As you can see, Dr. Joshua Manjan. Say the number 14. So let's show guys. Kasongo doing in Akana Shungan also Mr. Post doing on iTunes. I for social mark. Aka nandlela yin'wana lantis. So you do number 14. So leswi veta swi tisaka the images leti ya hosi ngomesa the post hamba chingelwa hi tona. I feel like at this moment ikona ti make sense. Menga mahleketa most those images leta chingelwa hi tona hosi ngomesa the post I want us tagging, so I'm doping. I feel like at this moment ikona ti make sense. So it's as if joke yakona backfire because hosi ngomesa the post this tagging there ka number 1. Vele ukutsandzeka kodisusa la bafika batirhisana TLB manjeni kwadisusa vele ukuzama kwadisusa ma-adile kusukeni. I feel like it makes sense ma yivona mhaka leyi guys narration somehow yi fike yi cinca manjeni zeni swi nga ha chingeli hosi ngo Mr. Post manjeni. As you can see na kwalani like vele ku tirhisa ka TLB ku va zama ku va disusa la. So now narration yi cincini, which is crazy guys. Narration saying chicken, as you can see, we look example ko ka di humesa la. That the susa ka number 1 at the look sukin the omego omala. We look there na TLB kwa na we look examine, as you can see kwala. I think it makes sense most now. Mashona manje like joguli ifike inchicha. Kudio mosona la shula the same thing kudio we look examine kwa di susa at the look sukin and the very adusukang. So kwa ba ka number 2 very. So shwa tsanze kwa di susa. I feel like it makes sense. Mahona mos makale it's crazy. The narration impera tingavana different meaning depending on context. Very it's crazy. So share the bino so Mr. Post jara ka number 1 share munhu ntsena share akana swin'wana ni nga ta swula dibini guys. Ngo vheta cheka ti streams ta sungula dokodela sweswi kahle hi ngo cheka ti views nje bamba ri tani leswi ni nga vula fike nga cheliwangi. So the top song ya Dr. Joshua sweswi yi le ka 33,000 ku nga Thula Misava, as you can see kwana yi followa hi vanhu loyi lin'wana ni vuri ku ri va va decide the fans ku landzela yini track la va decide swo ku landzela X77 Mafumisana yona track number 3 top 3 ya Dr. Joshua kwalani. You know the album is performing well. It's not bad. It's not bad. And then of course yaka hosi Mr. Post just to see what's happening here. Yeah, hosi Mr. Post top track ile ka 44,000, as you can see. Hosi ngombe ku win online like iTunes and YouTube already, like we can see is pushing. Why should look with the comparison we can see is pushing. Even then ukulandzela mapoto na munhu ntsena ti khomana ni mos wona vona ku yi nga ku lukuma what's happening mara mapoto I think it's catching up mos munhu ntsena na the views nga let me say swi lava munhu i na Maputo vanhu va le ku yi rhandzeni ngopfu mos a yi fike yi nga khomi munhu wun'we ntsena hi ku hi yona a hi ku top track mos 44759 wona Maputo wona Maputo yi na tingani lo Maputo 45026 se yi cincini swa ku yo hlwela nyana la so swa Maputo hi yona top track manjeni and se ya ha ku cinca sweswi ho ni tlhela yena ndzhaku swo ka yi nga se refresh let's go back and se yi cinci Maputo yo the top track as you can see at 45,000 views yi landzeriwa hi munhu wun'we ntsena at the 44 vona ku landzela yini after this ku landzela i vinyi va timbila as you can see leswi nga tshamisa swo ka hosi ngopfu mara in overall you can see ku byi le ku beni ka madivhiyo yo n'wi tala ngopfu swi le ku chaviseni la swi le ku chaviseni la ti-tracks to tala ti le ku streamoni swinene va vona mhaka leyi wa kwalano so hi leswo va le ku tirheni swinene even then hi veka Benny president of course ni vone yi posta na a poster on his account he wrote hlasela mahlasela as you can see kwala loko fe hi pfula kona naswona ku posta yi tsariwini ku 500,000 views on YouTube a hi fambi na yi check okay hina lava ka Benny Mayengani topic as you can see mahlasela yi leyi se na 500,000 views hi sweswo guys a swi leswi chansiwaka as you can see yi na 500,000 views hi nga vula tani congratulations to him guys by far traditional albums leyi yona yi nga breaka ti-records online ku album leyi tlulaku leyi in terms of breaka ti-records online a hi rhwele ntiyiso guys like ti-views leti nga generata tanihi swi hi khi hi updata is too much now magic na yona se yi yeka half like kuva as a traditional music wa kala ka Gaza laha liwa yona top album so ku ya na hi ti-views no khe hi cheka guys a hi xihundla ku hi yona album of the year swin'wana a hi rhwele ntiyiso guys hi yona album of the year swin'wana a xi lexi hi nga ta swi kaneta so yo hi nga vula tani ku congratulations to President Mayengani a yi tirheni swinene loko ni kha ni cheka to tala se ti ri over 200,000 views as you can see va Malwela ku fanifile like tinambara ti tele vo Mahanyelo as you can see na ku kende Dangerous yi le ka 100,000 ku ta track lani yi langutisa a Joni yi le ka 90 a Joni musiteli xava xi cina baby na mali ya xava okay so hi leswo guys hi leswo hi nga vula tani congratulations to President Mayengani loyi album of the year swin'wana swa haze swa ni da an argument we can see na hi ti-views na hi leswi yi nga generisa swo ti-views ku a yi tluriwangi this year hi leswo loko ku ri amukeza subscribe a ni ta kombela mi tlika subscribe
a ni la ta mi byela ku loko December leyi mi kha mi dyetete timali mi xava tibiya ti-braai mi ti humesa mi endla hinkwaswo mi nga rivali January la hela ku nyangatsiwa yini mi dya mali nga koma kuwa n'wi December loko ku January mi ta lomba timali mi lomba timali ta transport ta swikolo fees ta yini na yini this December munhu a hleketelele xikolo fees a hleketelele transport a hleketelele uniform swa nkoka hinkwaswo swi hleketeleliwa a hi lombi munhu mali hi January a tshikeni ku nyangatsana ta nkoka.